Hey, it's Sunday morning and today I'm in Lecco. I have Marcin, which is my friend from Poland, and now we are checking out from our hotel and going to do an amazing Via Ferrata. It's time to go. Despite January, the weather is kind of warm. It's gonna be like plus 15 Celsius. Our hotel was on the top of Lecco, and from here you can see the whole panorama. We will climb on that mountain, not all the way to the top, but I think that there's this one small peak over there. We are in downtown of Lecco. For now we're just gonna walk and get some coffee. This is the central place of Lecco. And now it's time to explore the lake. It's time to drive to the mountain. It's really hard to find a parking in Italy, so we have to park in that kind of weird way. We started our walk to the beginning of Via Ferrata. It's still like maybe, I don't know, 15 minutes. Then it's gonna be 1 hour of hike and it's gonna be 2 hours of actual Via Ferrata. I would assume that this flat and nice mountain on my back is the way to go. The road starts from simple hike. It's a bit steeper than I would like to have. This whole mountain looks so flat and crazy. I don't really know how we could make it. A couple of last steps before the actual start of Via Ferrata. Are you coming? Yeah. We are ready for one of the greatest Via Ferrata around Lecco. I have this funny camera on my top. And I have my GoPro in here, which gonna provide some shitty footage, but it's something. And this is his first Via Ferrata. So I'll have to explain a lot. And this guy is kind of pretty complicated. It's time to shoot from the actual camera from my head.
Oh, hello.
Oh yeah, but the first thing you have to put your security on this thing. 1, 2. And now you have to go all the way until this first hook. Don't try to go too fast. You can also pull it. If you want to pull it. If you're lazy like me. And look what's going on. It's like, you see what happened?
Yeah, it's full sound.
That will annoy you a lot. You should keep a distance as well. You press.
Hurry up.
1. How it's going so far? You made it your first part.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Now
What
you
do I
have to
get?
change.
Do I get a medal?
No, medal at the end. But it's fine. It's time for you to go. Right. Put your leg in here. Put your leg in there. Gosh. Crazy. Oh my gosh, this is like... Okay, there is a nice step. This is a very nice step. Okay, now it's really complicated section for my friend. Okay?
Yeah.
Put your arm on the middle of the chain. Nie, 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 nie. Z powrotem. Okay, idziesz. Idziesz, idziesz. No, no. Nogą, tylko nogą. Nie ma żadnej siły ręk, tak. I dalej drugą nogę. No, to jest wszystko. Okay, here it's easy, huh? It's just like stairs, nothing more complex than that. Pull it.
Tak, tak.
Oh. Very nice.
Nie mogę.
Step. Ale...
Nie mam gdzie.
Nie, nie.
Nie, cicho. Shut up, shut up, shut up.
O, tak, tak, no.
Shut up. Oh.
Oh, it's very good what you're doing. If you have friends which never done Via Ferrata, try to do this. Some Via Ferrata which is a bit easier. Everyone can make it, just it's probably a little bit too much for the first time. We both feel super tired, but we have to make it.
We have to.
We have to. There is no way you can exit. There is no emergency way.
Near a helicopter, but it's expensive.
The way is not so far. It's time to go. The next section is flat, like this. Finally I can see the cross, which is the end of this beautiful place. Super lame Via Ferrata section. I made it all the way to the top. Here is the ritual cross, which symbolized the end of this mountain. My friend is still walking, but he is really close by. So we successfully finished our super cool Via Ferrata for today. We have a prize, waffles from Italy. I bought them yesterday in super fancy store for 5.50 euros. Wafers filled with vanilla cream and dark chocolate. Martin, do you want to try?
Yeah, I can try.
Unboxing. There are eagles inside. There are 3 different separated waffles in the special cover. Now let me open inside. There is a very normal waffle.
Yeah, and not very dark chocolate.
Not so dark because it was in the car for a day and it...
Give it to me.
Sush, half?
I want just a bite.
But it's so yummy. Oh my gosh.
In Poland we call it Principolo.
No, it's not Principolo, it's like
And
10
it costs
times cheaper.
20 cents.
We have to go for 1 more hour or maybe 1.5 more hours down. We're gonna die soon. There's a flower on our way. I don't know what's the name of it, but it looks really cute. Amazing post-sunset views. Hey, so we are in the car. We're gonna drive to Como to get some awesome food. We got lots of stuff. It's carpaccio and sfogliatella. Now it's time for the main dish. I got some seafood salad.
I got a ricotta fantasia with grilled peppers and grilled zucchini.
The dinner was really nice and the whole day was awesome. So don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel.